The Effect of Heat on the Elasticity of a Rubber Band by Jordan Hay, Science Project for Miss Bateman's class, December 11th, 2014. The purpose of this project was to test if different rubber bands with different variables would stretch further than one another. My hypothesis was that warmer bands will stretch farther than cooler rubber bands due to the faster movement of the particles in the band. The materials that I used for this project were rubber bands, boiling water, tongs, a wood measuring board, measuring tape, and a pencil. I put 7 rubber bands in the freezer for 5 minutes. Then I removed the rubber bands from the freezer and measured and recorded my data. Then I put 7 rubber bands in boiling water for 5 minutes. I removed them and measured and recorded the data. I also put 7 rubber bands in a 70 degrees room for 5 minutes, measured and recorded the data. My variables, the controlled variables that I used, were time increments, rubber band size, and the brand of rubber bands. My independent variable was the change in heat. The dependent variable was the stretch length of each rubber band. The results I gathered from my experiment showed that warmer rubber bands stretched farther than cooler rubber bands due to faster particle movement. Shown in the slide presented to you is the data that I observed. In conclusion, I have found that the rubber bands that were boiled on average stretched longer than the frozen rubber bands. Additionally, room temperature bands also stretched farther than the frozen bands.